when are you really gonna get serious about the trading? But I forgive you for those times that you didn't take it serious. But today, you still have a next chance. Let's get right into this breakdown. It's a midweek breakdown. Today is Wednesday, November 26th. It's now 10:18 here in Jamaica. And Sunday, I did a banger breakdown again. And I showed you the seed still on my chart. The markup is still there. I didn't clear anything, just to show you that our breakdown played out exactly to how we said, to perfection. And it made a move. I wasn't expecting it to go so far, but price pushed over 1,230 points from where we were on Sunday. And I did this markup, and see, I have the line right here. The market didn't fully tap back into the secret sauce zone, but it came back to a strong level of support resistance. So at those zones, of course, the market can push from there because this is on the daily time frame. But the principles never change. We were still following market structure, strong level of support resistances, and our confirmation at the zone, and then we could have took that trade. See, we have a 1 to 4, but price push a 1 to 20 1 to 21. So much you could have got at that trade. And look at how the market played out. And then the market gave a next setup right here because price created a new high. And remember, when price creating new highs, or bias is buys. So this was the market creating new highs. And when we see the market is creating new highs, that means our bias is buys because the market is in an uptrend. And remember, when the market is in an uptrend, that's the time we want to buy. So price made this strong push from there, and then let us look at what price is doing now. So price is now actually creating a new high. So we have about 2 more hours for this candle to close. No, 1 hour and 39 minutes for this candle to close. So we couldn't just take a buy now because price is actually creating a new structure now. So I don't take trades on when price is creating a new structure. I wait until it confirms if it wants to stay above this high now, and then we look at price at our secret sauce zone, and then we can possibly catch a trade now to bring back price into this area. But we'd still have to wait on this candle to close, and this is on the 2-hour time frame. I normally wait on the candles to close to tell me that if price created a new structure, because this candle can maybe a breakout and then price just push from right at this zone. So no, we don't want to rush that type of movement. We want to wait until price fully closes at this candle, and price can even sell from here as well. But currently price is doing all this strong level of momentum in buys. We are just sticking now to the bias of the market and waiting to see if we get an opportunity. So that would be a simple breakdown of how we got the trade on Sundays. But the market follow from Sunday's breakdown, and this would be today's breakdown. So remember, we want to see price, if it close above here, creates a brand new structure, and then we can take a trade at our secret sauce zone. And remember, if you want to get the secret sauce, you have to link the Coleman Chant Pass. That's the only way that they can get it. There is no other way, because remember, only I have the secret sauce. So if you want to get it, remember to do that. So I hope you guys got a lot of value from this. Remember, even though we don't see a current setup now, you can still follow the thought processes and look at how I handle my chart, so you can get the results for yourself. And remember, if you want to get those results, you have to have the proper mindset, and that's where my guide comes in. How to master trading in just 5 minutes, so you can get the results that you want. Remove that block that is stopping you, so you can take your trading to a whole new level. And if you want me to hold your hand, remember, do the same thing. Reach out to me there as well, so you can get those gems. So that's the video for today. See you on the next one.